Look at that hook set on the king of crank. Let's level up.
Hey everybody, welcome to the King of Crank. It's currently a heat wave in the Washington, D.C. metropolitan area. Today is 105 degrees. If you've been watching my previous videos, you know I've been slaying some largemouth bass on a Potomac River using topwater frogs. If you haven't, definitely go back and check it out. I caught 3 bass that day at Smallwood State Park in Marbury, Maryland. That location of the Potomac is known for professional bass fishing, but it's great for recreational fishers as well.
I saw you out there making that topwater frog twerk. Diddy.
No diddler here, baby. So today we are targeting striped bass or hybrids. The location is Potomac River in a section called Little Falls. The terrain is considered advanced just due to the wet rocks or rocky area. I would advise beginner fishermen not to fish this location unless they're accompanied by a more experienced fisherman. I'm currently fishing the low tide on June 26, 2025, between the hours of 10 and 11:30 a.m. And for the temperature, it's 105 degrees today. So I'm definitely gonna use caution. We're in a heat wave, baby. My goal today is to acquire a 19 to 24 inch rockfish, which is the legal standard within the Washington, D.C. regulations. And if I catch one, I'll be able to level up 500 XP. Let's go. So today, Little Falls looks beautiful. The current is not too fast. The water clarity is really good. The only issue is the temperature. So I definitely have to use caution today. And I'll give you guys a few tips on what to do during a heat wave with extreme temperatures. So I saw 2 fishermen from the lookout. Looks like one's in my spot, so I'm gonna have to find another location. There we go, 100 XP for mountain climber. I've been leveling up my stamina and agility, so I'm flying over these rocks now. But you, be careful. So for my heat wave fishing essentials, the most important, number 1, is fish with a partner. This is just in case of an emergency, if you pass out, if you slip and fall, if you fall in the water, you definitely want to have somebody there to call 911 or come to your rescue. For my number 2, I would say invest in a good mineral sunscreen. I use Murad Environmental Shield City Skin. It's a great sunscreen. It blends in well with no white cast. For number 3, definitely pick up some rash guards or some ultraviolet shirts, UPF 50 and above. These are definitely great to protect your skin from the intense rays of the sun. For number 4, pick up a large bucket hat, or there's a company named Melin that makes a Hydrolite hat, which is similar to a baseball cap, but it keeps you cool during the summer. For number 5, always locate shaded areas. So this could be forests or trees, just in case you have to cool off or sit down somewhere. For number 6, bring an insulated steel drinking container and have it filled up with ice as well. Probably a gallon size or a half a gallon. And for number 7, ensure that you bring some electrolyte packets like LMNT. They help regulate hydration and muscle and nerve function. So when you're out there sweating a lot, you're gonna lose a lot of electrolytes. For my fishing setup today, I'm using a Shimano Stradic 4000 XG FM reel. And for the rod, I'm using Edgerod ISR, which is an inshore rod, 7-foot fast action, medium power. For the lure, I'm using a 6 cents Quake Lipless crankbait. For the braid, I'm using Sufix 832 30-pound in Hi-Viz green. And I will not be using a fluorocarbon leader today since striped bass are not really line shy. So today I'm going to start out with a lipless crankbait. I'm going to do a medium crank and I'm going to throw it just prior to the current. And I'm attempting to mimic hickory shad or herring.
In the words of Dak Prescott, here we go. Let's level up.
So at this point in time, the heat was really getting to me. So I was going to give it a few more casts and then dip. Also, once you finish watching this video, take a look at this new YouTube short that I created. It's basically a quick and easy guide to find out where your favorite YouTuber's fishing location is.
Hey, one rod, one reel. We're coming for your honey holes. Ha 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 ha.
Level up.
Look at the hook set on Quick Draw McGraw. Ha 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 ha. I knew you had it in you.
Let's go. I just leveled up to level 20 Quick Draw McGraw. Let's level up.
Now it's time to catch and release in the fish grease. Ha 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 ha. Cookout time. Hold up. What are you doing? No! What are we gonna eat for lunch now? I'll get you next time with a dungeon challenge.
Thanks again for watching, everyone. Again, during the heat wave, definitely protect yourself. Follow my 7 rules. And if you get tired, find a cool space and just sit down. Relax, breathe, and hydrate. If you enjoy my videos, definitely click the like button, comment, subscribe. Also tell me down in the comments what you would like me to fish for next. It could be ultralight fishing for panfish. It could be flatheads, catfish, snakehead, carp, anything. Just let me know down in the comments. Also check out my other videos and my YouTube shorts. Also follow me on TikTok and Instagram at the King of Crank.
And oh yeah, subscribe to D.
D who?
D's nuts in a largemouth bass.
Hold up, now that's Diddy. No, you're the diddler.
No, I'm not. You're the diddler. Let's level up.